midst of chaos, find your moment of calm. From morning rushes to to-do lists, you're doing it all. Being on the move, keeping the world spinning. Life is busy. From work to play, you deserve a break. Step inside, leave stress behind. Sink into the ImmersiBody Massage of the Elora Pedicure Chair and let your worries melt away. Introducing the Elora by Whale Spa. It's time to treat yourself and recharge. Meet the next generation of massage. Designed to release tension and restore. Indulge in a multi-sensory salon and spa escape. Feel renewed. Experience the new standard.